Hey guys, Soon here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we got Supreme drop for you guys. As usual, it's Supreme season, so all y'all gonna get is Supreme. So this time around I got a week 18 item, and I actually got another one, a little surprise, which I was able to get through a restock. I don't know how I got it. I know I was sitting late at night around 11 p.m. and I just randomly happened to browse it and I saw it, and because I missed it when it first dropped, I said I knew I had to get it, so I just bought it on a spurgeable moment. So let's go ahead and open those two up and show you guys what I got. Alright, let's go ahead and start with week 18 item. Week 18 we had a lot of different t-shirt that was being dropped. They had motion t-shirt, but the one I got was the Javalin one. Quite frankly, it was probably one of the most unpopular t-shirt that was amongst the dropping one, but and I'll be honest, I kind of got it because I lost track of time and it was the only thing that was left. But I thought it was still worth getting, so I went and checked out. I'm pretty sure I was like 3-4 minutes late into checkout, and I was surprised some of the t-shirt was still left around. So I did end up getting this one, so let's go ahead and show you guys. I'll go ahead and open it. I'm anticipating this one to come with special stickers, so let's go ahead and look at it. Okay, yes, here we go. So different sticker outside of all the box logo sticker that I've been getting past few weeks. So let's go ahead and look at this. I'm excited about these. Alright, here we go. We got the box logo Supreme, who care about them. And then we have the split Ichi Killer. Ichi Killer was another one. I hope I'm saying that right, but it was another one that was a t-shirt that was made. This is the split head one. And then I got this dinosaur one. I'm actually not sure what this is because I don't think this was a t-shirt. This is the Ichi the Killer drop, so this was one of the t-shirts. Looking at this one, here we go. Like the last one, this box logo t-shirt I got, it came in plastic bag. Again, great job by Supreme for continuing this instead of coming in a little plastic bag like these. I'm loving the fact that it's like this. Let's go ahead and open it up. I got, again, in size medium as always, and the one I got is the Javalin Supreme one. This is actually kind of like not embroidered, but it's like a patch that they sewed on this. Honestly, I didn't know what quality to expect, but it's not bad. The print itself is very like glossy. I did not expect it to be glossy. I didn't read any description, so this is new thing for me too. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of it. It's glossy, kind of shiny, glistering. So I like the picture, but again, the glossiness, I'm not a big fan of it. I could understand and see why this has been just the last t-shirt to sell out probably. But size medium, I got in white. I think this is considered white. Yeah, this was a white one. They had different other colorways, but for this one I decided to go white. The other one had like different color, which I don't think it was matching too well, so that's probably the reason why I went for this. Sizing wise, it's not the same as all the other Supreme t-shirt I'm wearing, so medium. It's not bad. We'll have to live with it. But hey, this is one t-shirt to add it to collection, and we got sticker out of it. Alright, I gone and looked at the t-shirt because quite frankly I don't remember every single one of them. But the split was definitely one of them. The motion Supreme tee, the face of the Ichi. They had the social security one, which I thought was really dope, but that sold out almost instantly. And they also had the Pitbull one, so that was pretty dope. I went with this because it's the last one that was maining for me. And on week 18 they had other stuff like the umbrella and towel and stuff like that, which accessory for me is like the #1 things. I wanted to get it, but hey, I was late to the drop, so I have no excuse. That said, I do have another item which I told you guys that I was hiding for. It was a random restock drop, so it was there when I happened to look at it. So let's go ahead and open up and I'll show you guys what I got. This one was actually go way back to week 1, so this was the very first drop for this season, and it's the Nalgene water bottle. I have huge collection of water bottle, and I was pretty disappointed when I did not get this. checking for a sticker real quick. Got 2 more box logo sticker. Like I said, they had the black one and this one that was dropped first week. I don't even remember what I went for first week, but I definitely got something. Amongst all the stuff that was dropping, I couldn't waste my time on putting this into cart, so I had to forego this. But this time around, when I saw it in Restock and all the other bottles that I have, and I saw this Nalgene being restocked, I had to go for it. Here we are. So it came like this. It came in this plastic bag, but again, they dropped in black one. This is red one. I can't go wrong with the red Supreme, so I had to go for this. And then if you take it out of the koozie or this little, what do you call this, foam bag, whatever, you have the clear bottle, 32 ounce bottle here with the Supreme logo, clear all plastic, Nalgene logo on the back, Supreme on the front, pretty much everything else is clean. 32 ounces, 1,000 milliliter. This just goes to another collection of mine with all the water bottles that I have. I actually do use on a daily basis whenever I go camping, whenever I need to store hot beverages, etc. So again, this is gonna be one of my go-to bottle for whatever occasion. So this is dope. So I'm very happy I got this, and I saw this on random night. Again, like I said, it was like random 11, 12 o'clock at night. I was just sitting and I just was browsing and see what was on the Supreme site. Just happened to see this, so I decided to get it. Well, that being said, I do have other stuff coming for you guys. I have another Supreme one that I have here for week 19, which I will be unboxing. But for now, I'll give you guys a closer look on this and the t-shirt, and we'll wrap it up.